Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to about guys how can we on vibrate on ring setting in our Oppo phone. Guys you want to on your vibrate on ring setting in your Oppo phone. So how can you on in this video I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and video guys. First of all guys you will have to on your phone setting to on vibrate on ring setting guys. Then guys scroll friends, you can see sound and vibration setting friends, tap here. So friends, you can see guys your sound and vibration setting friends. First setting guys, you can see guys your vibrato ring setting guys. You want to on guys, you can on from this right side. So vibrato ring setting will on when guys your phone will ring. So guys your phone will vibrate. So guys you want to on your vibrato ring setting in your Oppo phone, you can on from here. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.